Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb and I'm coming back with another video, and today I got a catch can installation on this 2007 ACURA TL Type S on both front and rear banks. So without further ado, let's just go on. Fuck, I can't fucking talk, boy. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the video.
I can't ride up in no Charger, got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. We take engine 312 at the TL, let's go hard.
So boom. Did a couple of things while I was away from the camera. Hold on, let me adjust the balance right fast. So boom, I installed this nice little Amazon special catch can I got right here. It's a nice little Amazon special generic triport motherfucker. Motherfucker look like a little Mishimoto, but it's not. I done seen a lot of people install these just on the front bank, and I'm like, what about the rear? So boom, I capped my end off right here. I ran my, this is the second bank. I ran my second bank around to the bank too, but I didn't tee them in because those are two different size fits. So two different size holes. Skinnier holes right there. Bam, all the way right there. That's why I got it mounted up right on my driver firewall or the driver side strut towel. Just slap that bit right there. Threw some black spray paint over that motherfucker, so you can't even tell that motherfucker with it. Just look like a little goddamn clean spot right there. But only thing you really gonna need special outside of the kit is one 5/16 fitting. I fucked around about 3 thinking it's gonna fit, but you just need one. So I would buy one 5/16 fitting, 3.5 feet of 5/16 holes for the front bank. Then for the rear bank, it's gonna be a half fit, or a half fitting and a half size hole for the rear bank. And the kit is gonna come with either 3 or 4 half size fittings, so you don't need to buy those. And me, I got an AEM aftermarket intake, so if you got a custom or you made it just up, I don't know how the shit gonna work out for you unless you install you a bung for that shit, or you just cut out a hole and you just put a grommet in and you fucking, I don't know, hack together some shit. I don't know. I can't tell you because I got an aftermarket, but if you got a custom, you're gonna have to figure some shit out. But that's the way I routed mine. You don't necessarily have to plumb the intake manifold hose back up. You can just cap this off. Thought I was fucking something up because my car was it was running rougher than the motherfucker. Now I was getting some evap codes, totally unrelated. But if you want to route all 3, or if you want to route your whole engine up, this is the perfect way, or this is the best way you can install a catch can onto a J series, if I do say so myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, because a lot of people just got this rear bank just venting out, and there's no bueno. It might run okay, but trying to get everything plumbed together, burn all my vapors off, and not cause future damage. You get me? So it's pretty much it for the catch can, at least. But I have done a little something special up under the hood, nothing too major. But I installed some hood spaces so I can shut my fucking hood properly. And I put an O2 sensor in this motherfucker so the check engine light ain't on no motherfucking mount. So we good on that motherfucker. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Really don't have too much to do to it until I get the exhaust in the tune, I get the J-pipe. But other than that, I'm not worried about that right now. I got bigger fish to fry. I just got this back in tippy top shape. Oh yeah, and the cam seal. I was trying to replace both of them, but I ain't feel like getting all the way back there to the first bank back there. I ain't feel like doing it. So I just did this cam cap, called it a goddamn day. I said, fuck that shit, gang on. I got my check engine light off. I stopped most of the goddamn oil leak with the PCV valve and the cam cap seal and the fucking catch can. So I'm golden till at least I pull this motherfucking engine out, rebuild it, or I throw a fucking J37 in this motherfucker. I don't know yet. But I do got a CLS back in Mississippi, so that's why I say I got bigger fish to fry. I gotta figure out where the fuck I'm gonna put that motherfucker at, and then set this bitch aside and get the CLS on the road. But other than that, it's pretty much been it for this video. If y'all did like this video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on, and I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
No coming like Rylo, 50s and 20 like one in Cosmo. Know the stick go where I go, stepping it